Hey gang, Jason here for the love of tractors, and I got a box from Firefox. Firefox? Not Firefox. FacFox. FacFox. The 3D printing people. So, if what is in here, if I think what's in here is in here, I'm going to do a giveaway. Now, why am I going to do a giveaway? Well, we got to 5,000 subscribers on our YouTube page. We're at over 2,000 on TikTok, 7,500 on Instagram, and Facebook's, a lot. So, thank you all so much for the continued support. It means the world to me. It really does. I continue to be humbled. It's amazing that we've kind of built this community up a little bit where we all kind of get to talk, and a lot of us have kind of learned each other's interest and things like that. It's so cool. I just can't thank you guys enough. I really can't. It's amazing. So, I'm going to open up some stuff here, and like I said, I think I've got a couple orders from FacFox out there right now, so I'm not sure. Yes, this is the one I was hoping was coming. So, check this out, fellas. This is a box blade. A really cool little box blade kit. We've got the other parts for it in here. You can see wheels, tires, things of that nature. So, I'm going to give one of these away. Now, how am I going to give one of these away? You have to comment below, and you have to tell me what 1/64th scale product for a farm toy display you want to see most that's not out there. Or if it's out there and you don't know about it, that's okay. But you have to comment below, and you have to tell me that. Now, I would super appreciate it if you guys would share this out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this video 1 week. So 1 week from today, next Friday, I'm going to put all of your usernames into a random number generator. I'll do that, whichever one comes up. As long as you're in the United States or Canada, you will get one of these. I'm sorry, I can't ship overseas, guys. I wish I could, but I can't. There's limitations to what I can do. So, all right, here's something else I did. I did some poly tanks with a little spout on them. I like these a lot. I'm going to be using these on my display. I'm really happy. I was afraid that spout would break off, but check that out. I've even got the little turny knob thing on there, the little shut-off knob on there. I think those turned out excellent. All right, what the heck else we got in here, guys? Oh, this feels kind of big. I'm just not 100% sure. Like I said, I kind of know what I've got ordered, but FacFox has been slow lately. The mail's been slow lately. There's some skullduggery going on with the government here and whatever. So, I've kind of forgotten some of the things I've ordered, unfortunately. What are these? Oh, these are new truck beds, or more truck beds. You guys have seen these already. These are the welding bed, and then they have the tool pack on there as well. So, I am super excited about those. I love these. They're just so cool. They look so good. The tool pack on there. I gotta thank my buddy Pierce Johnson for those, to be honest with you. He spearheaded that project. So, all right. Let's see. I'm sorry about the just blank box picture. Boy, this is a big bag of stuff. Whatever this is. Oh, cool. All right. It's my poly tanks, my big tanks. So, I have been printing these off at home, on the home printers, and one, they take forever, and two, they take quite a bit of resin. So they were tying up my printer a lot. Now, here's the downside. These are going to have to go up in price just a little bit from what they used to be, but check out the detail. This hole's turning out better, the lid's turning out better. I'm just liking it. Now, they're hollow, so, I mean, that's not a big chunk of resin. I've got some holes in the bottom so that all the goo could sort of drain out of the hollow part. But there you go. So this is the 80, let's see, this is the 8,500 gallon, and then this would be the 4,250 gallon, 4,250 gallons. They're basically identical. All I did was sort of lop half of this one off. Anyway, I drew these up as one of the first tanks I drew up quite a long time ago. But they look just like the ones we have that we use for our water tanks and our chemical tanks at the farm. So, anyway, there you go. Those are great. I'm really happy with those. Those turned out excellent. Okay, cool. So, alright, so that was a simple, short, small order, I know. But, you know, it's going to be a kind of a simple, short video, I guess. Like I said, I'm giving away a box blade kit, guys. Those kits are going to be probably in the neighborhood of, I don't know, let's call them $10 to $15 kit-wise, and then the blade's going to sell around $20 or $25, I would say, by the time it's all said and done. So, somebody's getting a fun little kit for free. I will pay the shipping and everything. All you have to do, post below and tell me what 1/64 scale farm toy detail display part, item, whatever, you think the farm toy world needs, and you do that, and if one part or some gets a bunch, maybe we'll try to make that a reality. So anyway, like I said, 1 week from today, you've got to post down below in this video. 1 week from today, we're going to pick a winner. So thank you all so much. You are the best. Again, 5,000 subscribers. I love you all, guys. Seriously, it's incredible, guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Have yourselves an awesome day. Treat each other well, and happy tractor hunting.